Quasi come il ballo delle metropolitane, si fanno comprare il vestito, si fanno tutte belle, così, un po' l'americana, non c'è l'obbligo del cavaliere, non c'è l'obbligo del cavaliere.
Ah, quello americano,
Però sì, poi in realtà poi può andare vestito come vuole.
Ich kann es, ist gut. Gross. Wenn da die auch drauf hauen, dann nein, ich will es nicht. Ich hebe es schnell. Wenn da der drauf hat, dann nicht. Nein, nur mir. Ja, wir sind drauf. Sieht man es? Ja. Wir sind frisch.
Comprare il vestito, si fanno tutte belle così, con un po' l'americana, ti dico, non c'è l'obbligo del cavaliere, non c'è l'obbligo del cavaliere.
Ah, quello americano.
Però sì, poi in realtà poi può andare vestito come vuole.
Area in East Europe was under the government of Roman Empire. Roma is governed all Europe. And after the falling 470 after Christus, the falling of the Roman Empire changed everything. Some trade came, tribes from South Germany, from East, from Austria, came to stay here for working in agriculture because the income is better. And even after the Roman Empire, in the 5th and 6th century, came the emperor of French-German Empire, Charlemagne. Charlemagne take all this area and give Zurich to his grandson, King Louis II. Louis II built this church in the 8th century. 713. 8th century. You can see in Google all of this about inside. And he will govern in this side, now it's new. But the church is exactly the same since the 8th century. Yeah, only they came. The painting also, it was the life of nuns. It's a government only nuns. More than 200 nuns came from Italy. Most of them, the Pope sent them to explain about Catholic religion, because it's the beginning of Catholicism. And here, all were there, other side, inside also, you have painting the life of nuns. At that time, nuns print the money, take the taxes, give it back to the king, and also arrange everything for trading, and elect every year a
Nothing.
O que é que você quer, mãe? Doce de leite ou framboesa? Doce de leite. Então, para. Ela também. Olha uma pergunta de leite.
So I feel like I ate just this for 2 days.
Are you from here or?
I'm from California.
Ah, you are from the US.
Okay, das ist gut, ja, klasse. Stimmt, weil, oder habe ich den auf Deutsch?
Schaffhauserplatz.
Ach, aber darf ich, wenn du keine Stücke nicht einmal aufs Brot? Dankeschön. Du kannst ja auch fragen, wenn du von mir haben willst, vor allem in Ingeborg, würde er